Guys, so we are here at our summer house. The cyclone is there. We got a couple nights here. It's raining off and on, so we have the awning out and all of the spare parts and tools and everything under the awning. And the weekenders that were here left our side a mess, so we'll clean that up before we leave. But we're got the water system pressurized. We're testing the water heater. We're making sure everything's working. We have it relatively cleaned out. We're getting ready to move stuff in. We thought maybe we'll shoot a quick video before we move everything in.
Let's check it out.
Come on in. Alright, so it is a 1989 Winnebago 427R or something like that. 26 feet 6 inches, just under 27 feet. So here's, this will be, we'll call it the cabin, the main area. We used to have 2 swivel chairs here. We got rid of those. We put a bench down. This will serve as a bed for one of the boys and seating for Harmony and or Brittany during travel days. We have the chair swiveled around. We're gonna have the child seat up in the chair up there. We built a little console. I added a sweet mount for the GoPro, so it'll serve as our dash cam, and then when a freak bear moment or moose moment, we'll be able to capture that crazy footage. We added a CB so we can talk with whoever we need to talk to, call for help, whatever. Brittany's room up here. She has some pretty sweet curtains that come across that go along with the rest of our curtains. Harmony did a great job on these. Check out these curtains. We went with like the Alaska cabin type theme. We got a couple lights from IKEA. We got the coveted Papa plate, Papa napkin. Dinette, travel days, boys will sit here. It'll also serve as sleeping for 2 of the boys, to be determined. All right, come on in the galley or the kitchen. Pretty simple. 2 sinks, sink, stove, oven, micro. We'll talk about our solar install later, but we have an outlet here that's just from our inverter, and then we can run on the generator. The stove runs propane. The microwave, we have to be plugged in, running the generator. Fridge. So over here we added some of the IKEA storage bins, and we have the whiteboard. That's kind of our signature move right there, is the whiteboards. We also did them on the fridge. It's just so nice to have that space. Next we'll walk into the shower. It's probably the roughest room of the house. It had a water leak before, so we did have to do some repairs on the roof. But we got it hooked up. We'll use it as necessary, use it for laundry. Alright, so this is the bedroom. Nothing too fancy here. We painted, added the really cool curtains that have the little trailers, and I added this drawer. Originally I was going to try to use it for a charging station or battery storage. I don't know, I think it's a good spot, maybe for the extra kids, extra glasses, I don't know, whatever. We have tons of storage wrapped all the way around. Queen size bed that lifts up for a little bit of storage, but the water tank is underneath here, and so is the water pump. So easy to access. So that's the bedroom, the master suite. We're working on a curtain that's going to go here, so to give us a little more privacy. Let's check out the bathroom. So here is the bathroom. Pretty simple stuff. We added some new curtains, and we added this rod here with the IKEA buckets. It works great. Shoe storage. It's really cool. When you're taking a shower, you just close this door and that door. So you come in and you take a shower. You have it over here, and then and with the doors both closed like that.
Mom!
See? You have the door here, and it actually has a bathroom.
Mom!
Alright, so let's go take a look outside. All right, this is the back of the motorhome. So right here, we got a shovel. I built this little structure out of about $11 worth of materials and a bunch of the screws and everything I had already. Gonna lock our gas cans and our spare water. We'll have an extra 12 gallons of water, an extra just under like a little more than 10 gallons of fuel. We got the awning out. You don't mind all the clutter underneath, it's just raining off and on. So we got the awnings out. We have 2 awnings, that one, and this other one is really cool actually. It's got an awning over the window. All right, well, thanks for watching. This has been our video walkthrough of our 1989 Winnebago Warrior. Be on the lookout for some videos about the various projects we've done, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.